had several opportunities to look at different tables, and Swift-Cut really got me going in the right direction because of its simplicity, but yet it's put together like a Cadillac. It has all the bells and whistles, but they all work fluently together.
I've operated at different schools, different tables, and none of them were what the kids would actually walk out into the industry and use. But this table is actually just about what most of the shops around Houston are running. These are super heavy duty made. I love the fact it's got fork pockets on it. I can pick it up, move it where I need it.
The software, it's very simple to use, and how I found that out even more is presenting it to my students, and they picked it up super simple.
You can build your own shape and own design and download it and move it into your system to be able to cut it out. And it's fun to go in and create things and cut them out. Like, we made signs as a do right sign. That was really cool. We've never been able to do that before.
The software is so forgiving, like you can't mess up. It is by far the best I've used, and it's integrating very well with the sync system.
The original Powermax system that I had, amazing, excellent, perfect cut. But when we moved to the sync, I was absolutely blown away at the quality. Plus, my students don't have to mess with 5 different pieces. It just has one.
What I like about the Powermax is that it leaves a high quality, clean cut. So we don't have to spend as much time cleaning the metal, and we can change out the parts quicker and easier.
It's going to save us a lot of money in the end, because that life of the cartridge is going to way outlast having 5 different consumables that you have to use with just a regular plasma cutter.
The other cool thing about the sync system is I can sync it with my phone, and it tells me how much estimated time I have left in the cartridge. On the old system, it was just a wild guess.
The educator package with Swift-Cut has helped me teach the kids a very basic and user-friendly program that allows these students to create these designs.
We understand that these tables are a massive investment to schools, and so we provide them both lifetime internet and phone support. We give them access to an educational curriculum that gives them a pathway to train students on the table, and we also give them a remote control team viewer.
Hey Jordan, can you grab my screen?
Where we can physically take over their console and we can see what's going on if there's an issue.
There's nothing better than having a question, being able to get a hold of a technician. That is peace of mind.
It's over the top, as good as the best customer service I've ever had. I think having the Swift-Cut table along with the Powermax SYNC is probably one of the best choices we made. Hand in hand, they're the best I've ever ran. I would recommend them to anybody in the world.